My name is Sean Ramsey. I'm the Assistant Director of Production Services for Cy-Fair ISD. During the deep freeze here in Texas, we lost the entire video system and audio system due to busted pipes in the press box. And so we had just a few months to recover to be operational before football again. We had to install all new racks, all new amps, sound consoles, video system, everything. It was a big task, but we were able to achieve that. Here we support 12 different high schools. Every school has their own look, has their own desires. Some of that is even on what kind of mix they want to send for audio, what kind of fonts they want to use on the video board. Everything is customizable. Ford allowed us to work with us so that we can be creative in that customization of our systems. We really do appreciate Ford coming in, providing us the equipment and manpower to get that swapped out. It was very beneficial to have them on our team.